Good morning, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, wheelchair handicap accessible conversion. It's got 2 clamps, keep the ramp from rattling. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to do, very low cost to maintain. Look there, I can take that conversion ramp down using just my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, it does taper to about 33 there where the ramp sets at the base. 56 inches coming in, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. It does have 8 tie-down points, so it'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Very clean inside, headliner looks good. Got your rear air controls. Between these 2 seats, there's about 21 inches of room. Wheelchair can slide up in there. It won't slide all the way in there. The passenger's legs can sit in between. Their bottom will sit slightly behind it. We have chairs that fold up on their sides. We can remove a chair if you need more room. There is no one size fits all, so let us know the measurements of what you need. We can help customize this van to meet your needs. The dash looks great. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync your phone, auxiliary port there. Dual climate control. Got your plug-ins for your electronics, cup holders, more cup holders in the door. So, cup holders galore. We do give a free set of Q-straight pull-tight tie-downs away with each van. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger, all it takes. Lift it back up. And I'm telling you right now, those electric ramps and doors, they're a nice touch of a button, but boy, if something goes wrong, they are extremely expensive to fix. And I'm not talking a few $100s. I'm talking a few $1,000s generally. Alloy wheels, tinted windows in the rear. It's got brand new tires in the front. Tires in the rear have between 9 and 10 30-seconds on them, so like and new. So darn near 4 brand new tires on this van. Very clean, hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. Very clean van, been very well taken care of. I'm looking hard to find a door ding. I'm looking hard to find scratches on it so I can show you. I'm not seeing a single one right now. Very clean van. The roof looks good. Very clean interior. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling an internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. You can see this is a 1 owner, no accident or damage, last owned in California. So a rust-free, snow, salt-free area. Hold on, Mike. Sorry about that, had to holler at an employee. But also Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Does show the service history, oil changes, California, like I said. Carfax shows it's still under the drivetrain warranty, which originally was 60 months, 60,000 miles. So it looks like we got about a little over 13 months when the odometer hit 60,000 miles. Also, you can go to Google, check us out, look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We've got excellent reviews. Also, look us up on eBay. We have 826 transactions. We've never had any negative feedback. That's 826 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So no matter who you're buying from, check their ratings, see what people are saying about them. Ask them, where's the Carfax report? Okay, back to the interior of the vehicle. Small crack there in the plastic. I hope you can see in these videos. I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. Very clean. Dash looks good, like I said. It's got your windows over here. I'll show you those in just a minute that they all work. Back seats look great. Just super clean inside and out. See the current miles, 39,814. The van comes with 1 key, keyless entry. If you want us to get another key made on your dime, we can sure do that. They're generally $199. You can see there's no check engine lights, no airbag lights, no ABS, so there's no dummy lights. That's great. Got your backup camera there. And we have 3 mechanics that work for us. We push every button. We make sure the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, heat, air, cruise. We push every button, the radio. We check everything out. This is not some vehicle we just throw on our lot. It's even got the rear vents back there. You can see those open up. We put a lot of work into these vans with not only the things I showed you with the Carfax and our reputation, but we try to make sure that these vans are ready to go. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. I can hardly hear it running. No signs of any damage. Got your emission sticker there. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any flood or anything like that. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. I don't see any bent metal from an accident. I don't see any signs of a flood. I don't see any signs from an accident or abnormal rust or anything like that from this one owner California van. That is the #1 mistake people make when used car shopping. They assume things. They assume just because it has the 39,000 miles on it, or they assume because it looks nice in pictures, or they assume it runs and drives good. They don't even ask for pictures of the undercarriage. Go look at my competition's website. Go, that's fine. Go check them out. Do they show any pictures of the undercarriage? Much less have videos of them? Do they have Carfax reports? Do they show you their ratings? Do they show you what a great reputation they have? You know, things you need to be considering when you're buying a vehicle. You know, I know you want to believe everything you read on the internet. Boy, don't we wish that was we were able to do that. But demand a detailed video like this. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. And if you don't, you're asking for trouble. And this world's got enough trouble without getting screwed over on the internet. So let me get the van out on the ride so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. I strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go from 90 days all the way up to about 8 years on this vehicle. So talk to me, let us know how we can help on those. You know, protect your investment, folks. Also, be aware, watch out for those dealers out there who have a real nice price online, but they don't tell you about all their hidden fees. They got document fees, tag fees, administrative fees, freight fees. Next thing you know, that price online, then you got to factor in shipping, you know, if you don't live near the dealer. Next thing you know, that real nice price online, $2,000 or $3,000 more than you thought. So, you know, my point to you is if someone's not going to tell you about the real price, if it says $30,000, it should be $30,000, not $30,000 in the price, but oh yeah, we got $1,500 or even $500 in fees. If someone's going to be hiding something from you right off the bat, if they're not going to be honest about the real price, you know, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding electrical damage issues? Are they hiding salvage title? Are they hiding a flood issues? Are they hiding mechanical work? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not going to tell me the real price of a vehicle, I'm going to have a hard time believing that there's other stuff they're not hiding. So keep all that in mind. What I'll do is take the next exit here. I'll give it a hard brake. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You now got the owner's cell phone number. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to my point about the text me if you need to get in touch with me. I want you to call our competition. I want you to ask them, are you dedicated enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Not the salesman's number, not some, you know, manager's number, the owner's cell phone number. Ask them. See if they're committed enough to customer service like we are. And we do financing. We can send an application to your phone or your email. Or if you're old school, you don't do internet very well, that's okay. We can give us a call, we'll take one over the phone. We're happy to help. And see our entire inventory with detailed videos like this, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Yes, we do take trade-ins. Talk to me about that. Let me know how we can help, all right? So, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.